Pasig.
Adriano K. Ameji with high honors, Sparkle Award, Golden Heart Award, and Collaborative Kids Award. Miranda Yuan Redwin F. with high honors, recipient of Prudent Worker Award, Eager Bigger Award, Task Champ Award, Exuberant Heart Award, and Little Picture Award. Gabriel Green and Genova with high honors, recipient of Prudent Worker Award, Happy Helper Award, and Enthusiastic Kid Award. That's already we have Zizme Ogale with high honors, Extra Minor Award, Eager People Award,